In this video, let us learn how to set up environment variables for Python. So the environment variable for Python, the Python is available in this particular path, which is the path. So go to users and proc and app data. If app data folder is available, fine. If it is not available, go to view and show and select hidden items. So this app data is a hidden folder. So if you can select the hidden items, then only you can able to view app data. Once after open the app data, open the local. Under local there is a folder called programs. Under programs there is a folder called Python 313. So in this particular path only the python.exe is available. This is the installed path of Python. This particular path we have to configure into environment variables, or we have to add into environment variable. So how we can able to go to environment variables means right click on this PC, properties, advanced system settings. Here it opens system properties window. In system properties window we have a button called environment variables. Environment variables window has two sections. One is user variables, another one called system variables. Always we need to add into system variable section. So first search for variable called path. Okay, click on edit. Since the path variable already have n number of details, so that's the reason we should not click on new button. We have to click on edit button. Along with existing details, I would like to add my Python details. So click on new button. So before click on new button, copy this particular path, the Python environment variable path, and go to system variables. Click on new button, add. Similar way, we should add one more path called scripts. Within the scripts only the pip is available. Most of the libraries tools are available. Copy the scripts and again go to environment variable, click on new, add this particular path. There are two paths we should include, Python 313 and another one called scripts. Now once after adding these two paths, click on OK and click on OK. Once after adding the environment variable, we should make sure whether the Python we can be able to access irrespective of any directory. For that purpose, open the command prompt. Just type Python ---- version. Now it should display the Python version. And again here, as soon as if you can install the Python, the pip has installed by default. Suppose if you would like to upgrade, so currently we should view the version of the pip ---- version. Currently it is going to display this is the pip 26.1.1. Suppose if you would like to upgrade the pip version, Python -m pip install ---- upgrade pip. So again if you can click on it, it will show if the pip is not upgraded. Okay, pip is the older version, it is going to upgrade. So it is telling requirement is already satisfied. It means the current latest version of pip is 26.1.1. that is the latest version. So that's the reason this particular command is providing the statement called requirement already satisfied. If suppose if you have a older version of the pip, it start installing the download and install and it is going to upgrade our pip. Thank you.